Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ang this is Rodriguez from my Saglit channel of Healer o Zamatardir. So, ngayong hapon na tatagal natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is the special gabay for the month of April 3 hanggang April 9 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahaginap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mga gilap? So guys, ito na. Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay, there's a justice card. Unang baraka, hustisya, karma. No? Talagang binibigay sa atin ng impormasyon na para makuha mo ang yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. There's a justice will be served. Ooh, may hustisya. And this is something the Empress card for rebirth, no? Bubuhayin ng katawan lupa mo dito, no? Maaaring magkaroon ka ulit ng, there's a rebirth, so second life. And there's something, second chances. And this is something, guys, maaaring babalik yung sigla ng pagkatao mo. This is something, guys, with self-love, self-care. Alagaan mo sarili mo, mahalin yung sarili mo. Dahil may hustisyang nakalaan or maaaring nasa palad mo. And this is something, guys, with Four of Pentacles for saving money. Protect your power, protect your energy, protection, and mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. Now, the more na minamahal mo yung sarili mo, the more na inalagaan mo yung sarili mo, the more ka magbo-bloom, the more na mag-unfold yung mga blessings sa'yo, no, dahil nasa sa'yo ang hustisya, no, karma. What is additional messages? And there's a Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action. Na maging aware sa mga desisyon, sa lahat ng gagawin mo, mag-ingat ka. No? What is additional messages? There's a Five of Cups. So there's something disappointment, regret. No? Meron dito pag-aalinlangan at pagsisisi sa mga bagay na ginawa mo. No? Nagsisisi ka sa lahat na nawala at nasayang. No? At ngayon, kumbaga, tinatanggap mo na, no? Na ganun talaga na, kumbaga, may inaalis, no? May mga bagay na tinatanggal sa buhay mo. And there's a Queen of Swords na magkakaroon ka na ng healthy boundaries ngayon, no? Kumbaga, magsaset ka na with the solid boundaries, cleared boundaries, or something, guys, with something and look at the bigger picture. Na lagi mong titignan yung magiging posibilidad, yung kalalabasan ng eksena na to, na mas magiging matalino at magiging wise ka na. No? So let's see what is the Justice card. And the Justice card represents what? There's a Three of Cups. As celebrations, no? Unti-unti mo nang mararamdaman ng celebration at maaaring magkaroon kaligayahan talaga dito. No, parang there's cheers, no, parang gano'n. Na talagang, kumaga, sinasabi dito na maaaring magiging masaya at magiging maganda na ang sitwasyon mo. And this is something that is once for a new project and new plans. And of course, this is something is with a new beginning. Maaaring babaguhin na ang mga nakasanayan mo. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng bagong pag-asa at bagong simula at bagong plano. No? At dito papasok ang mga magagandang biyaya. No? What is the Four of Pentacles? Reference with the Three of Swords. So this is something of pain. No? Maaaring makaka-recover ka na from the pain, for betrayal, from any distractions, no? Na nagbigay sa iyo ng sakit at sakripisyon. Let's see what is the Five of Swords. The Five of Swords represents with the Four of Pentacles for saving money. Na protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito, even your finances. No, ibig sabihin dito guys na meron ditong uuwi, no, galing sa international, and this is something guys with a local, meron ditong event and family gathering. Mag-ingat ka lang, magkakaroon ng self-sabotage that because of your action. No? Kumaga sinasabi, mag-ingat ka sa bawat kilos at galaw mo. Dahil mukhang merong sasabotahe sa'yo dito. Let's see what is the Five of Cups. Represent with the Eight of Pentacles. No? Just focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. No? Kumaga sinasabi dito, wag mong sayangin, no, yung iyong hanap buhay or trabaho na pinagkukunan. No? Kailangan mong palawakin to, mag-focus ka, being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. No? Gawin mo yan with a passion. What is the Queen of Swords? With the Queen of Swords represent, there's a Knight of Cups. There's something an offer. Proposal, romantic proposal, engagement, and this is something Queen of Swords. Unti-unti mo nakikita yung mga offer na posibilidad na makamit mo. No? Makakamtan mo dito, meron ka din dito nakikita with apology. May hihingi ng tawad dito. No? Just be aware guys, sa maging matalino ka, no? And depensahan mo yung sarili mo dito. No? Nakita mo yan, na nakaganon yung kamay niya, and of course nakaganon, na magbibigay ka ng kapatawaran, pero magiging mautak at magiging protektado ka sa sarili mo, idedepensahan mo na, no? Kumbaga, mag-give way ka ng something, forgive or forget, or kumbaga, magpo-forgive ka talaga, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay, or nagbigay ng sakit sa'yo, papatawarin mo siya, kumbaga, pero hindi ka na maniniwala sa lahat ng nangyari. Kung magpapoprotection na mo yung sarili mo na, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na basta padadala ng kanyang drama. What is the Justice card? Because the Three of Cups. The Justice and Three of Cups represent with the Page of Pentacles. So see, kumbaga magkakaroon dito ng investment, a new plans, a new beginning, na manifestation. Ano man yung mga bagay na hiniling mo, ano man yung mga bagay na pinangarap mo, maaaring makamit mo to, no? At magiging maligaya ka na this time. What is that Empress card? And the Ace of Wands. The Empress card and the Ace of Wands represent with the Ten of Swords. Ito yung sinasabi ko, mag-ingat ka with the sabotage. No? Kung magkakaroon ka ng panibagong plano, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena, pero mag-ingat ka, no? Dahil gagawa ulit no ng plano para sirain ka. Mag-ingat ka. What is the Four of Pentacles? Because the Three of Swords in reverse represent with King of Swords. Stop the pattern. Putulin mo na kagad, no? Kung anong hidden agenda nito, putulin mo na. No? Baka makapanakit pa ulit. No? Let's see what is Five of Swords because the Four of Wands. Represent with Seven of Cups. No? There's something confusion or either an opportunity. No? Wag mong hayaan makapagbigay ng oportunidad to para makagawa ulit ng bagay na masisirain ka. No? Na masisira ka. No? Kumbaga, kailangan putulin mo na kagad. Stop the pattern. No? Wag mo nang hayaan na makapasok ulit sa landasin mo to. Na mag-ingat ka guys kasi maaaring guguluhin nito ulit yung buhay mo, yung sitwasyon mo. Now, there's an 11-11 with the twin flame energy. No? There's a soulmate connections. Okay? Kung wala itong ng informasyon sa'yo, mag-ingat ka. Pag nakakuha siya ng informasyon, doon kanya tutuklawin. No? Doon kanya guguluhin, doon kanya ulit aagawan ng eksena. Let's see what is the Five of Cups because the Eight of Pentacles. Reference with the Tower moment. There's something in major changes, no? Malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo to. No? Marami kang nagkaroon ng realizations, no? Dahil sa mga bagay na nasira at nawala, ngayon binibuild mo na eh. No? Binubuo mo na yung mga bagay na nawala at nasira, no? Ngayon kumbaga, this is something a major changes na hindi ka hindi ka na basta-basta malilin lang, hindi ka na basta-basta mabubudol ng ninuman. No? Mas matalino ka na dahil sa dahil sa matibay na pundasyon na ginawa mo at mas malakas ka na ngayon kaysa sa nakaraan. What is the Queen of Swords? Because the Knight of Cups. Reference with the Four of Swords, no? Listen to your intuitions. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. With initiate, parang sinasabi dito na intuitive, okay. Intuitive feelings. No, makinig ka sa intuitive feelings mo. No, meron ka dito nararamdaman na alam mo sa sarili mong may hidden intention sa iyo. No, there's an apology, yes, but definitely it's a drama. Mag-ingat ka dahil susubukan ka ulit nitong lilangin. Susubukan ka nitong ulit guluhin. So, let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome, represent what? Okay, there's the lovers, no? Connected with your love life, no? Talaga sinasabi dito na maaring there's a deep soul connection talaga, no? There's a deep soul connection na maaring konektado with your person. Yung iyong eksena, maaring konektado ka ng iyong sa pag-ibig. And there's a temperance, no? Perfect timing. So see, kumbaga if you were being single, may taong darating para sa'yo, no? And there's a temperance with a perfect timing, and there's a divine intervention na pinapaalala ka na maging kalmado, no? Huwag ka masyadong aggressive, no? Huwag kang pala decision. There's a wings, no? There's a flying wings. Ako nakita dito, may lumilipad na, may pakpak, something like that, na may gumagabay sa'yo. Oh my God. May nakikita kong pakpak na gumagano, lumilipad siya, no? Around, oh my God. And there's something, guys, let's see. Mayroong gumagabay sa'yo. There's a lot of angel spirit guides. And this is something that's open ako. Maging balanse ka, no? Maging kalmado ka. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a native ones. So fast communication at fast movement. Bibilis din takbo nito with the outcome na magkakaroon ka ng travel. There's a lot of communications. Oh my God, minisense ako dito totalis ang intuitions mo na magkakaroon ka ng something, a message sa ating mga gabay, na makakatanggap ka ng message sa ating mga gabay. Meron ako nakita lumilipad talaga na may mga pakpak. Now, there's an angel spirit. Oh my God. No? And there's something, an eagle. Now, white eagle. Oh my goodness. So, let's see. What is additional messages time for finances and career? There's something fly high na napakataas ng lipad. Let's see. What is additional messages? Grabe intuition sa kitang-kita ko ha. And this is something, guys, with the Six of Cups, no? Maaring related with your finances, with your person, with a past person, or with your family related. And there's the Six of Wands by Victory is yours. Na maaring magiging matagumpay ka, magiging maganda ang iyong negosyo, hanap buhay. There's something unity, may pagkakaisa dito. And there's the King of Wands by Vision. Na unti-unti mo na masisilayan yung magiging posibilidad. Na magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan dito. Nagkakaroon ka na ng plano. And this is something, guys, with lizard, na butiki. Na may butiki ako nakita dito na maaaring nagbibigay mensahe sa'yo. No? At may mga gabay ka dito tumutulong sa'yo. Talaga mapagtatagumpayan mo, may sugod eksena talaga dito. Na maaaring maraming susugod na gabay na tutulungan ka para makapag-set ng healthy boundaries for your finances. So let's see. What is additional message? Kaya pala may karma, may hustisya, parating na siya. No, susugod na pag ganun palusong. Let's see what is additional messages for love life. Sa love life mo, there's a Two of Cups with a partnership. Sa love life mo, meron ditong partnership, guys. There's something a past person coming back. May sense din ako with a past person coming back. And there's something greatest love. No, meron tao dito na maaaring magtatagpo ulit kayo ng person mo. Meron ako nakita dito Belo. Yung parang na siya, yung byudo, ganon. No, there's something, guys, with a Ten of Wands, something burden. No, marami kang pinagdaanan pagdating sa pag-ibig sa relasyon. Maraming obligasyon dito. And because this is something the Devil card. Meron din ako na sense dito na nagbigay ng bigat sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. Na may nagbibigay ng pasakit sa inyong dalawa. No? Para pag nagkakaroon ka ng karelasyon, iniiwan ka, sinasaktan ka. No? Or either, kumbaga there's something, there's a lying, cheating on you. Pero may ganon. No? Lagi may ganon na nangyari. Lagi may traitor, lagi may third party ako dito na si sense. Okay, let's see. One more card to clarify. There's a King of Pentacles security. Magiging secure ka na pagdating sa love life. Oh my God, kaya pala may karma, no, yung gumagawa sa'yo dito, ibabalik sa kanya lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa niya sa'yo. No? Lahat ng pasakit, pasanin, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, there's something of consequences. Okay, so let's see what is the additional messages about sa health. Sa health mo, there's a Six of Swords with the transition. Na makakalis ka na sa sitwasyon mo. Na makakalis ka na sa mga nararamdaman mo. Makakabangon ka na ulit. And this is something, guys, with a full card for a leap of faith. Basta manampalataya at manigdiwala ka, magdasal ka, no, gagaling ka sa iyong karamdaman. And this is the Four of Cups, no? Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga tatanggapin mong pagkain dahil, kumbaga, maaring dyan niya, dinadaan yan. So, let's see. What is additional messages? And there's another ones for slowly but surely. magiging kalmado at magiging maayos ang pakiramdam mo dito. Mag-ingat ka lang, no? Maging aware ka sa pagtatanggap ng kahit ano na dahil nakasalalay dito ang kalusugan mo. Okay. So let's see what is the additional messages for overall outcome for all areas of your life. So alamin natin anong kaganapan sa buhay mo with the diamond style. Now, with the diamond style, represent the Page of Swords. So there's something of being curiosity. Kailangan alamin, tuklasin mo, or there's a spying, looking, watching at you. At may magandang balita dito. Na may magandang balitang hatid sa iyo to. May mga impormasyon ka malalagat, may malalaman ka dito, kaya kailangan alamin mo, tuklasin mo ng maayos. And this is something, the Moon card. No, meron tong hidden agenda sa iyo. There's a truth reveal na malalantad talagang katotohanan dito. One more card, please, to clarify this reading. And there's a Knight of Wands. No, kailangan mo magtiyaga. No, kailangan mo magtiyaga sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Na dapat, dahil napakalapit mo na para magtagumpay. Ang pinaka-outcome pa dito, one more card, oh my God, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. Pero magtatagumpay ka. And the Star card is something recovery. No, magkakaroon ka ng tagumpay, magkakaroon ka ng, you're on the spotlight, and this is the Star card representing recovery and healing. No, the Justice card, something of karma that brings you an healing and recovery. So guys, maraming salamat. This is a part 1 for a special gabay for the month of April 3 hanggang April 9 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. Kung gusto mong malaman, no, about dito with part 2 for the angels messages, we are also here, no? We have a guide, we have kumbaga spirit guides na kumbaga messages for you, guidance. No, may mga mensahe sa dito ang ating angel spirit para mas lalong mo maunawaan at malaman ng reading na to kung ano ba talaga yung pinakapunot dulo at malalaman mo ang pinaka-summarize with the love situation, with the clarification, no? And we have also with the what lies beneath, with the hidden future, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na nakatago sa haharapin mong kinabukasan ay nandito, ilalabas niya. Now, and there's something in yes or no with a pick a card. Pwede kang pumili dito ng, pwede kang mag-isip ng question at pipili ka dito na magsisilbing kasagutan mo with a 1, 2, 3. Pick a card. And this is something a path of the light na magsisilbing liwanag, no, sa buhay na tatahakin mo at the same time. We have also the shadow works, no, na magbibigay motivations and of course something beautiful, no, situations. And this is the angels number and messages na magre-represent dito with an overall. So maraming salamat guys. This is part 1, no? Maraming salamat and see you on the next video in the part 2. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!